Hey guys, it's Robert again. I want to say thanks for liking and subscribing to the channel. If you're new here, check out the video. And if you like it, please subscribe. My videos that I do here are DIYs, reviews, family vlogs, and I talk about cars and trucks, especially that truck way over there, my 2017 Toyota Tacoma, which I have coined Hardshell Taco. Today I'm doing a really quick video. I hope you can hear me. The sun is out, but it is windy, and I don't have any wind protector daily thing, so I'm hoping you can hear me. This is just a quick video about a product that I'm using. I worked on rotating my wife's tires on her Lexus RX 350, and I found something that I really liked that I could use for the jack, so check it out, guys. So I'm using my cool aluminum jack that I've always used, had it for years by the way, and I got this adapter here. And the reason why is because if you look here, there's this pinch weld. A couple of advantages of that. It'll help not only keep it from marring this pinch weld later. Marring means bending it or scratching it, causing possible rust later on. But it also helps with slippage. So when you're lifting it, it can't slip. A lot of people will put a hockey puck right here on the edge to protect it, but then it can still slip. With this, it's not going to slip, and it's not going to slip within the jack mount as well, so you got a pretty secured spot. So let's drop it and check it out. A lot of people use a hockey puck, and they bought a hockey puck and made little slits in it, but I got this one because it's so snug into my jack I can barely pull it out. Let me see if I can get it. So this one right here, like I said, a lot of people use a hockey puck and they'll make these slits. But the thing with the hockey puck, the base is about 3 inches, and my jack base is about a little under 4 inches. And look what they did here. They actually molded it to be almost like a perfect fit to my jack. So if you look here, you can see it covers that little middle part, and then these little sections here with like the height difference here. So when this goes on, if I get it right, so when this goes on, it actually has a nice snug fit. But you see, it actually turns around with the jack. So that's why I got this cool thing. And also, even if I'm using the pinch weld, you can see it adds a little bit more height to my jack. And if I'm not using the pinch weld and I'm just putting it right in the frame, now I got a good, what, 1.5 inches of height on that. So about 15 bucks on Amazon, and I think it's a good buy. So that's my quick video about it. If you want to check it out, I put the link in my description. If you guys have any questions or comments, please post below. Peace out, guys.
I almost got the last one.
You did.
But I hope the tire doesn't fall down at all.
I think it'll be okay. There you go.
Yes, it didn't fall down at all.